welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to learn about a very interesting language, that is Python. Python is actually a popular programming language and it is used for many type of important functions that like web development, software development. So at first we are going to learn about Python comments. So what are actually comments? Comments are used to provide a statement in Python. So let's say so we can write comments using this hashtag symbol. So let's say I'm writing this is Python. Okay. So this one is a comment. And let's say I can also write some commands like print. This one is a command in Python. And I can easily convert it into a comment using the hashtag symbol. And this way we can also give other comments in our code. Comments are actually used to explain Python code, and comments can be used to make the code more readable. We can also write multiple line comments like this. Let's say we have to give triple quotes and we can write multiple comments. So let's say I'm writing this is Python. Python is a programming language. And in similar way, I have to end this one. And after that, I can write my code, everything that I need. Comment is a very useful component in Python. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to learn is how to print statements in Python. Okay, so if you want to print something in Python, you can use the command print. And let's say I'm trying to print here, hello world. Okay, so this is a print statement. And if I run this code, and you can see that there is hello world written here. Let's say I'm running. Let's try to print another statement. Let's say I print this is Python. Okay, and after running it, you can see that it is written hello world, and after that it is written this is Python. Okay, so and similarly we can print many statements, and we can also print numbers like this. Print, we can write 2 plus 3, so the answer will be 5. So let's say here is 5. You can see it, here is 5. Let's say I'm writing something in lowercase and then I'm trying to convert it into uppercase. So I can do it like this. Let's say I'm writing hello world in lowercase and I'm just trying to convert it into uppercase. So I can write it like this, dot upper and brackets. So if I run this thing, I can see that the answer will be hello world, as we have written in the first quote. This is Python 5 and then uppercase hello world. So this, we have learned some statements of print, some commands of print. After this, we are going to learn about variables. So now we are going to learn about variables. So we can create a variable using, let's say I'm giving a name for the variable. Let's say X is the name of the variable, and I can create a variable like, let's say John. Let's say John. And if I try to print this one, the answer will be, let's, the answer will be John. You can see that this is John. And similarly, I can create other variables also with other names. Let's say I create a variable like Danny with the name, let's say the name of the variable is Y and the variable is Danny. So I can print it like this, print Y, and I can just run this and you can see John and Danny. Okay, so done. And I can also like do I can also concatenate the variables. Let's say I'm writing a is equal to anti and b is equal to learn. Okay, and if I concatenate this, this will be a plus b, which I can say anti-learn. Okay, so I can concatenate also the variables. I can also get the type of the variable. So let's say I can write x is equals to 5, y is equals to, let's say, John. Okay, y is equals to John. And now what I can do is that print type, print type x. Okay, and print type y. And now what we can see is that after printing this, we can see that type of this variable will be integer. So this will be type int, and similarly for this will be type string. Okay, so let's just run this, and you can see that there is class int, that's the type is int, and the class string, that is this variable belongs to the class string, that is this is a string variable. So next what we are going to do is that banana, orange, and guava. And if I want to print this, let's say print x, and this one will be print y, and this one will be print z. So now if I run this, I can see that it is printing banana, orange, and guava. So this is very interesting feature. It reduces the number of lines of code. And now what I'm going to do is that, let's say I can also do calculations with variables. Let's say I can write x is equal to 35 and y is equal to 46. So print x plus y will be 35 plus 46, which is 81. So I can do like this, and the answer is 81. Okay, so I can do calculations like this using variables. I'm going to discuss the last topic, which is if else statement. Let's say I am specifying some variables. I'm assigning some variables like x is equals to 20 and y is equals to 15. Now, if x is greater than y, then I'm not going to write then, I'm going to give a semicolon. This is the syntax, and you have to remember this. Then print x is greater, x is greater than y. Okay, and else I can write x is smaller than y. So here the answer will be, as you can see, that let us analyze this first. If x is greater than y, if x is greater than y, which is x is equals to 20 and y is equals to 20, so x is greater than y, print x is greater than y. And this will print x is greater than y. Else, if x is not greater than y, then it will print x is smaller than y. So here we know the answer that x is greater than y. So let's see what it prints. And you can see that x is greater than y. this is if else statement. And if we just switch the values, let's say I'm switching the value and I just print it, and this time it is x is smaller than y. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. And you can also follow me on Instagram. Thank you.